Hi friends, welcome to our channel Tech Lines. As we all know that there are a lot of varieties in Samsung, and now I'm here to clarify all your doubts regarding which phone is best and discuss about top 5 5G phones of Samsung for all Samsung lovers. So let's go into it. So firstly, what is 5G? 5G is the next generation of wireless connectivity delivering the fastest wireless network. 5G speeds and secures connectivity of the phone. Samsung has introduced latest 5G phones, so let's know about it one by one. Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G smartphone is 6.9-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1440 into 3200 pixels and an aspect ratio of 20:9 and also has a processor of 2 GHz octa-core. It also has 108 MP wide, 48 MP telephoto, 12 MP ultra wide and 40 megapixel camera on the front for selfies with 12 GB of RAM and 5000 mAh non-removable battery. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G supports wireless charging as well as proprietary fast charging and is Android 10 based One UI 2 operating system. It has dual nano SIM and S20 Ultra brings 8K expertise to mobile and 8K video snap changes how you capture photos and videos, and you can grab a 33 MP photo from 8K video, turning every frame into a clear still. It is available in color cosmic gray and price is of $899. Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. This is a 6.2-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1440 into 3200 pixels and an aspect ratio of 20:9. Its main camera is 12 MP wide, 64 MP telephoto, 12 MP ultra wide, and front camera is 10 megapixel for selfie. Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus comes with octa-core processor 2 GHz. It has 128 GB internal storage and 12 GB RAM, and mobile operating system is Android 10 based One UI 2 operating system. It is provided by 4500 mAh non-removable battery and has dual nano SIM. There are 3 different colors available: cosmic gray, cloud blue, cosmic black. Finally, the price is $699. Samsung Galaxy S20 5G. This smartphone comes with a 6.2-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1440 into 3200 pixels and an aspect ratio of 20:9. It has a processor of 2 GHz octa-core and has a RAM of 12 GB. It also has back triple camera, 12 MP wide, 64 MP telephoto, 12 MP ultra wide, and front camera is 10 megapixel selfie. It also contains internal storage of 128 GB with external 1 TB micro SD, and it is Android 10 based One UI 2 operating system. It is provided by 4000 mAh non-removable battery. It is dual nano SIM. The phone will be available in cosmic gray, cloud blue, cloud pink, and starts at a price of $499. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. It is 6.8 inches touchscreen display with a resolution of 1440 into 3040 pixels, 498 ppi, and a quad of 12 MP wide, 12 MP telephoto, 16 MP ultra wide, and also has chipset of Exynos 9825 and Qualcomm's SM8 150, Snapdragon 855. It has IP68 dust or water resistant and is of Android 10 based One UI 2 operating system. It also provides selfie camera with 10 MP and battery is of non-removable 4300 mAh battery. It is provided by Gorilla Glass aluminum frame and it has fast charging with 45 watts with RAM 12 GB. It has colors or a glow or a black or a pink or a white and or a red. The 256 GB price is $1299 and the 512 GB price is $1399. Samsung S10 5G. It is 6.7 inches touchscreen display with a resolution of 1440 into 3040 pixels and has an aspect ratio of 19:9. It has a rear camera, 12 MP wide, 12 MP telephoto, 16 MP ultra wide, and with a front camera 10 MP wide and has a dual pixel. It has a processor of 1.9 GHz octa-core with a battery capacity 4500 mAh and has 8 GB RAM with dual nano SIM. It also contains internal storage of 256 8 GB RAM, 512 8 GB RAM with Android 10 based One UI 2 operating system. It has colors crown silver, majestic black and royal gold with a price of $744.
Right.
The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, S20 Plus, S20, Note 10 Plus 5G, and Samsung S10 5G are the best and top 5 5G phones in Samsung. And also, Samsung has introduced two low-cost 5G mobiles, A51 5G and A71 5G. So, to know about its features and specifications, subscribe to TechLines for further details. So, if you love it, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe TechLines. Thank you.